I hope you are doing well. Now we make the daisy. What is daisy? Can you tell me? So daisy is the flower. That color are yellow and white. So it's look like this. See. Okay. Okay. Now give me few minutes. I put this. So now we understand what is the edge and what are the corners of the cube. So the edges of this the or the corners. So first I scribbling my cube. So I scribbling my cube with. Okay. Then we understand what is this. What is this? And we understand it. Okay. So now we started. So edges are these. This yellow, this orange, this red, this green, this blue. On this white, red, yellow, blue, blue, white, yellow, orange, orange, white, green, green, yellow. Here, yellow, red, white, orange. Red, white, red, blue, green, and yellow is the edges. So now we go to next. So first when we make daisy, we found the first we found the edges. So edges are, this is the edge. We turn this and up. Means see, it's not come up properly. So we turn this and up. Now one more come. It's up. Now we found. Now there is here. This come. Now there is no. Okay. Here. How it's come up. So I hope this is easy. On here there is a space. So it's come up. I hope you are make with me daisy easily. So thank you.